Her dad, the late Bob Marley and the Wailers bassist, Aston family man Barrett. Aisha Barrett with an inspirational song in the immediate aftermath of Melissa. Jamaica Strong resonating on radio.
Are you okay?
No.
Children then.
Oh God,
Small children.
the island cry. But we still rise, still rise.
It's terrible.
Jamaica strong.
Hold the faith, hold the faith, girl. Hold away like this.
Melissa came, no friend found. She tear down the place, my shop.
Well, the song Jamaica Strong came to me in a vision. My son and I were at home and we're preparing for the hurricane because we thought it was coming here in Florida as well. We were getting a lot of rain. And he turned to me and he said, Mom, you know, you should write a song about Jamaica since you're always going there. And I'm like, oh, okay. And then it just like, as we just started talking and just looking outside, it was so windy. It's like the lyrics just kept coming and the emotions and just, you know, and I started going on social media and seeing different clips of people preparation and stuff, and just by looking at those images. And then I remember experiencing Beryl last year, what that was like, and how I teamed up with GEM, which is Global Empowerment Movement, to help them with their fundraiser and their charity. So I just started just using everything I experienced and just put together in my song.
You are the daughter of family man Barrett, the bassist for the Wailers back in the day. So obviously there's a connection with the music business. But tell us a little bit more about your background in the business.
I grew up in music heavily. I used to go to Jamaica school when I was a little girl. I was raised in the US, Bronx, New York. And I started touring with my dad at a young age, about, I would say 14. It was my summer break, so I always get to be there. I'm always there for sound checks and, you know, getting my lessons in, because he always wanted me to be very inclined in the music, learn my key and all that stuff, and kind of figure out where I want to go if music was my career goal. I would say about 2017, I professionally joined the Wailers, but I was on the background. I was more like on the management and the A&R, merchandising, but I was never on the performance side. But I just wanted to study to kind of build my craft, to kind of understand the musical business part before I get into the performance part.
Mama pretty picnic them all tied up.
I think you've been looking for that break. You think this song, Jamaica Strong, is that break for you?
I definitely feel it. I think so.
Who have you heard from? People are calling you?
I posted it on Instagram as a trial reel, so it wasn't even exposed to my followers. It's a new thing that they're doing, so basically it got sent out to non-followers. And then within 2 hours, I realized it blew up on Facebook. I don't even use Facebook like that. It's just there for cross-posting. And I was like, oh my gosh, this song is blowing up. I need to share it to my followers. And once I hit the share button, the TikTok went off, and then it's just like the messages, it was so much, like my phone, I cannot even put the phone down, it's just going off like crazy. So the feedback has been amazing, the support, and I'm having like goosebumps and chills just talking about it. Like I can't believe, like it feel like this is not even real right now.
Is Jamaica still in the news in the aftermath of the hurricane? Is the discussion in the Jamaican community in Florida about what people can do to help?
Yes, it is. It's everywhere you go, because right now I'm in the Northwest area, and this is more like the beaches, the Panhandle. And I just go on the beach yesterday, and people are just like, you know, sorry for what's going on with your country. It's like everyone is just, you know, coming together. Like it's everyone. Like it's not just Jamaicans. Like everyone felt it. Like Jamaica is such a loved country that people are just connecting worldwide.
Give us a line or two from the song. And what do you think it is about the song, especially under the current circumstances, that connects with people?
I think they're connecting with the lyrics on an emotional level, and it's a healing prayer, you know, so, and about being strong and how we're rebuilding and just coming together as a community and as a country and as one.
Melissa came, no friend fall. She tear down the place, mash up the wall. But still we there, still we stand tall. Cause love never dead, it conquer all.
Jamaica strong, we rise again. From the flood, from the pain. One love, one blood, one